Cause you got that deep for me. Your love is deep for me. I'ma make you go weak for me. Make you wait a whole week for me. I see you watching TV. I know you want it, see me. I know you need it. Trouble, Lord. I'm running on you, and I know you need love. I need something. You want this.
So today's hair sponsor is from Hermosa Hair. This is how the hair comes packaged. As you guys can see, it is in a satin bag. So before I show y'all the hair, I am going to show y'all the little goodies that did come with the package. We have a lovely drawstring bag full of goodies. And inside we do have 2 HD wig caps. The lashes is come with 2 pairs. These are the press-ons, y'all. These are super cute. Also comes with a Hermosa headband / melt band. Some makeup brushes. It also came with some mink lashes that you could do some cluster lashes with. How cute is this? And this is how the wig comes. As you can see, the density is super thick. I love that. It is definitely full from root to tip. And this is a curtain bang wig, so the bangs actually came curled up. This is the inside of the wig. As you guys can see, we have a super huge closure size and parting space. And it comes with an elastic band, and it comes with 2 combs, one at the top where the closure is and one at the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this wig on. This wig did come pre-bleached and plucked, so I can't wait to see how this looks like on my head. And this is how the wig look. This is how the knots look, and this is the hairline as well. Now I do just want to show y'all exactly how the hair look like on my head. Y'all look at this. Is probably the fullest hair I've honestly ever had. It is so full. And these are curtain bangs, so they definitely do fall. They're supposed to fall in your face kind of like this in a sense, but we're going to make it look super cute. So right now what I am going to go ahead and do is I am going to go ahead and tint the lace. Although the lace looks really good, we do need to tint it a bit darker to my actual skin color. So let's go ahead and tint this lace, and then we're going to go into the layering and curling. Now to tint my lace, I am going to go in with my True Match Lace Conceal in the color dark. And what I did is I flipped my wig inside out. And we are going to go ahead and spray just 1 layer because I only need 1 layer for it to tint to my skin. I'm going to go ahead and let that air dry for about 15 to 20 minutes or up until when it's actually dry. And then we're going to go ahead and layer and curl. Alright y'all, so this is how the lace is looking like once I am done with the lace tint and I let that dry. So right now I'm going in with my Revlon blow dryer and I'm just blowing out all of the waves in the hair. I do want to make sure I especially get the roots just so that when we curl the hair, we have a nice and flat base. And then I'm going to go ahead and hot comb the top of the closure and make sure that it's nice and flat and prep it for styling. Now I'm going to go in with my Moroccan Argan Oil from OGX and just spread that all throughout the hair just so that we can have the hair nice and saturated, and also use this as a heat protectant for us to curl. Now on to layering. I am going to go ahead and do face framing layers. So I am going to go ahead and take a section of the hair and put the rest of the hair in the back. And I did split the hair into 2 from one side to another. So I work on one side first and then I'll work on the other second. And I'm just going to go ahead and use my shears and drag it in a diagonal motion, as well as slightly cutting and using cutting motions. And once I'm done with the face framing layers, I do take vertical sections and I go ahead and create layers on top. And the shorter or the higher you go up, the deeper the layers are going to be, or the more obvious that it's going to be. So I am just going to go ahead and create those layers with those vertical sections.
Now once the layering is done, this is how my hair looks. It is still super fluffy and you have that bounce and movement that we want for the curls. Now I am going to go ahead and cut the curtain bangs a little bit shorter just because I definitely wanted the curtain bangs to not be all up in my face and like be really long. So I did go ahead and cut it a little bit shorter, and I'm just doing the same diagonal motions with my shears. Now for curling my hair, I am using my Babyliss Titanium Pro curling iron, and this is the 1.5 inch barrel. And I did split the hair into 3 sections. So I have the back section and 2 of the front sections behind the ear, or in front of the ear. And I did this because I learned this from a content creator on TikTok. I believe her name is Maya Nicole. And she said that to do this in order for you to achieve these type of curls. So what I am doing is I am curling the back first, and I am curling in the same direction. And how I have it curled is I'm not actually curling away from the face. I am actually curling upwards. So the clamp is at the bottom of the hair. And as you guys can see, I am separating the 3 parts that we are going to have for the curls. But now back onto the back section, I do go ahead and curl upwards, and I have the clamp at the bottom. And you just want to keep on, curling and clamping until you're done. Hold the curl and then also pin it so it could completely cool down. Now that we're at the front, I am going to now curl away from the face on both sides. And I am actually using these Velcro rollers that I got from the beauty supply store, alongside with the ones that it came with the actual wig itself. And this is how your wig should look like once it's done. And I'll let this sit for a whole day. And to really set the hair, I use my Chia hairspray. I'm going to spray that around the hair.
Now this is how the curls are looking. Once I put the wig on my head, I did let this sit for a whole 24 hours, y'all, because I ended up doing other stuff and whatnot. But it is time for a curl reveal. I'm super excited. This is my first time ever doing curls like this, and like, setting it up like this. But y'all, I could honestly go outside looking like this too. It's giving editorial. It's giving fun babe. It's giving, like, it eats. Like this by itself with the eye look. Let's get into the eye look. But yeah, we're not talking about the makeup right now. We're talking about the hair. But yeah, it's just giving editorial, you feel me? So I'm excited. Let's do it. So I already did start taking out some of the hair. All right, as y'all can see, I took out the front part, and it is real cute. Okay. I love the front. I love how the front came out. I'm a little bit disappointed with how the front curls over here came out, but I am gonna go ahead and recurl them. I'm gonna take some of the front curls and just recurl them just so that the curls can be tighter. And I am going to curl away from my face. I just finished recurling the front of my hair, and now it's time to do the final reveal. It's time to comb through these curls. Now I am gonna go ahead and use my comb to comb out the curls. All right, y'all, now to make these bangs a little less obnoxious, I think I actually am going to go ahead and cut them a bit shorter. And then I'm gonna use my 2 fingers to hold it, and then slant cut. There we go. All right, y'all, so these are the finished results. As y'all can see, y'all, the hair is so bouncy. Let's get into the bangs. I did cut the bangs shorter, like I said. And y'all, I'm feeling it. I can see. That's the biggest thing, is I definitely wanted to see and still have the bangs in my face still. And that is exactly what we're giving. This is giving like Farrah Fawcett. Is giving Cash Doll when she gets her hair done in Detroit. These are the Detroit curls. It's definitely giving sultry, sexy, and yeah, I love it. I am in love. I am in love with this look, y'all. So let me know what y'all think in the comments. Like, this hair definitely held up a curl really, really nicely. As I can see, the hair still looks super bouncy and thick. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you have not. What are you doing? Go ahead and do so, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.